Hello, this is a short video on how to download and install Vensim in your computer. This explanation is for Windows, but it's exactly the same procedure for the Apple operating system. Very good. So we are going to install Vensim in this computer. And in order to do that, we go to the page for downloading, vensim.com/free-download. And if you scroll down the page, you will find this little form in which you have to select the first box and then select the Vensim PLE. Select your operating system, and then you need to insert your data, your name and a valid email address. And when you hit download software, you will get an email that will take you to the downloading alternative. So if I hit download now, I get this message in which it's telling me that the email has been sent. So now I need to check my email account. And here in the email, I received the download link for me to be able to download Vensim. So if I click right here on that right now, start to download, and I will receive an executable file. It's 16.9 megabytes, and you can see that is the message here, and I accept, and I install. Don't select the limited for 60 days, select the academic, because you're going to be using it for learning. It's a personal use as well. So as long as you're not doing business with it, which you will not, you have the capacity to keep it for more than 60 days. So let's select the second option, and here you enter your data. And since you choose personal use, you don't need to enter any company. And just go through the menu, additional options, resolve Vensim settings. Yes, I have a previous version, that's why it's asking me this. Create a shortcut. Yes, I'll create a shortcut and install. And that's it. That's all you have to do to install Vensim. It's a 32-byte program. There it sent me a message that it has backed up my previous versions, and it's done. And here you have it. It is running, and it's perfectly good. So I'll give you more videos on how to use it.